Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalom Blac. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell so you're notified when I post new videos. And also make sure you follow me on my social media, Instagram at Shalom Blac. On Twitter is Shalom_Blac. Yeah. I'm gonna have it in the description bar down below, a direct link. But anyway guys, so today from the title of this video, can't talk. So today from the title of today's video, I will be attempting, honestly I've already tried it, and if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen this video and you guys were on my ass to have the video on YouTube. And initially I was going to film the video of me trying to accomplish this hairstyle, which was inspired by Cece, which is Ciara, at the Met Gala. I wanted to record myself attempting to do this, but I really just wanted it to come out perfect, so I decided to just put the cameras aside, you know, because honestly, when there's camera in front of me, I'm not gonna lie, I still get a little nervous. I feel intimidated. So I just put it aside and I decided to go into the bathroom and just take my time to make this recreation of this hairstyle happen. And honestly, I have to say, I might have done something. I might have done a good job because the response on my Instagram has been crazy. You guys love it so much. So because you do, I'm like, okay, I have to. And you guys were requesting that I do this because some of you guys did not think I was going to be able to do it. So I will show you that I, Shalom Blac, am capable of doing anything I set my mind into, like my mama told me. So basically, I have this wig. I dyed it jet black because it was natural. You know, the natural color that your wigs come in, or your, what's the word? Your bundles. It's like a dark brown, so it wasn't matching the puff. So I basically dyed it jet black so that it will match the puff a bit more, you know, close, so it wouldn't look like a huge different, because you guys know this is two different texture. I'm gonna go ahead and glue this baby. She is a full lace wig, as you guys can see. So I'm going to glue her all around. Guys, the dedication, I'm telling you, dedication, because I already did this hairstyle, and the fact that I took this wig off, washed it again, dried it, and I'm about to glue it back on all over. I love y'all. So first thing first, we are going to glue the wig. I will be using my bolt hold glue. This is the active glue, which is stronger than the original glue. You guys have seen so many videos of me gluing my wig, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just sped this part up. Honestly, I don't think it's important, but if you do want to see a more detailed video on how I glue down my wigs, I'm going to leave it in the description bar down below. Only reason why I'm putting glue all over my head is because I am trying to put this in a high ponytail, and I want everything, I want the whole lace to be completely flat and solid on my head. So that's the reason why. Usually when I do glue down my wigs, I do not put the glue all over my head, but we're doing that for today for the purpose of making sure that this hairstyle is snatched for the gods. I'm gonna watch YouTube video and eat my pizza while I wait for this to get clear.
I'm looking at, I have to look at the eye candy from across the table, and it has to be connecting. Looking at something that's not making sense, because I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up quickly. I'm gonna start telling my sister to call me. So she was like, nah, he's alright, you know, he's alright, you know, he's alright, you know. Excuse. I said, excuse me. Excuse me. So wait, you was the one that approached me and you was shy. Why are you shy? I didn't say you're nice, but in my brain I was like, wow, this.
Whoo, okay. 20 years later, we finally got the hair completely glued from front to back to the nape of the head. It's the thing that's, you know, a little bit hectic. So I just parted the hair, and I'm just going to tie one side up. Ooh, I gotta fix, see? I just saw something that I have to fix with the glue. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this hair thoroughly, just because we're gonna start applying that gel and we need it to be smooth and flat, making sure it's lump free and tangle free. And try to put it in the highest ponytail as possible as you can. We're going to be using Got To Be glue, and I recommend the one in the black tube, just because this one doesn't create that white cast after. When it's dry, it's completely dry and it's black. So make sure if you do use this kind of gel, you're using the one in the black tube. So I'm just taking that gel and I'm just gonna start applying it around and brush all of this together now. So I'm taking this comb right here, or this brush. I'm not exactly sure what you call this, but I'm going to be using the hard part of this brush. This side is soft. I'm going to use this to make sure everything is smooth out. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little tiny rubber band head tie and just tie it. I'm taking just a little bit of gel and I'm running that on the ponytail, and I'm just going to wrap that around. This is just gonna help it secure more. If you want, you could just go ahead and add some Barbie pin, and I'm just adding one. And then boom, one is down, one more to go. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I am doing a voiceover now because for some reason, the most crucial part of this video, I forgot to turn on my microphone. And I'm really annoyed, so I'm so sorry guys that I have to do a voiceover, but I'm gonna try my best to explain this to you guys. So I'm taking this wig. I decided to get a wig because I couldn't find anything that would be really puffy and big. So I got the wig, and I cannot just clip it on onto those little tiny buns. So I decided to sew those sides together. I'm gonna sew that side that I just showed you guys together, and then I'm gonna take the other side, put it together, and sew that, and that's going to make it what do you call it? It's gonna make it a bit rounder and gives it a shape. And then I'm not gonna cut the thread. I'm gonna take that needle and thread, and I'm gonna poke it through those little tiny buns that I made, and that's going to make sure that it is secure to the head, just because you do not have clips to just clip this. And honestly guys, I went to sleep with my bun, and I woke up the next day and it was still intact. It did not move a single bit. So yeah, I'm just going to sew that around, and when I'm done sewing, I'm going to make sure I make a knot with that thread and needle, and then I'm gonna cut it. And then to start shaping the puff ball, I'm gonna call it puff ball. To start shaping that, I'm just going to be taking some of the hair from the bottom, especially the ones that are a little extra long, and I'm just going to roll it around the bun really tightly, and then I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure that. And I do this as many times as I feel like makes the puff ball look good and rounder. So you guys are going to see it's really starting to form into more of a rounder shape than just, you know, a messy hair. So literally guys, after that you are basically done. Just make sure you use the bobby pins to secure that, and you can literally go to sleep with this and it would not be a problem at all. So I am basically done with the look. I went ahead and put on, you know, some black top to kind of look more like Ciara's. And I really like the way this looks. Second time, it's a charm honey, and this time I did try to put a little bit of like baby hair, because the first time when I did it, I didn't do baby hair, and some of you guys were like, where's the baby hair? Because she had a lot of baby hair. Personally, I don't like doing baby hair on frontals. I don't think it looks great, and especially if I am going to put on makeup later, it's literally so hard to try to avoid those baby hairs. So I don't like doing baby hair. But this time, you know, I tried to give you guys a little bit of baby hair for those of you guys that were asking. This has to be one of my favorite hairstyle on me. And I'm so glad that I decided to do this, because now I know how it works. So anyway guys, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about this? Are you going to be doing it? And if you do, please do tag me on Instagram. I know I'm not the first person to do it. Ciara isn't the first person to do it, but still, if my video is the reason why you decide to go ahead and do this, I want to see what you guys go ahead and do. And especially, you know, if you're completely bald like me and you have to use a wig, I know it might be a little bit of a challenge, but nothing is impossible. So just believe in yourself. Wait, how did this turn into like some inspirational video? It's a hair video. Shalom, chill with your boring ass. I know some of you guys say I'm boring because I'm so serious every time, so I'm gonna try not to be serious. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like it, give it a huge thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Shalom.com. At Shalom Blac, not .com, at Shalom Blac, and make sure you click on the bell so you're notified when I post new videos. But yeah guys, thank you again for watching. Remember to always be your own kind of beautiful. Peace. After I do my montage.
No secrets of affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more. It shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?